Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix preview pane not working in Windows 11. First method is Open File Explorer. Click View, click Show Preview Pane. Second method is Open File Explorer. Click three dots, click Options. Click View tab, check Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.